What's up, everybody? This just came in the mail, all the way from China. What could it be? Let's find out. Woo! Do you see that? What you're looking at here is the all-new Macbook Pro 16-inch M1 Max. I'm gonna go through this unboxing together. So it comes in a box, and that's obvious. Oh, I don't need no scissors. You don't even need any scissors. That's just a little smart tab. You just pull it. Smart. I've been waiting all day for this thing. UPS left at 8:50 this morning. I've been literally waiting all day like a crackhead, watching my security cameras. Here we go. Ooh, it's little. Ooh. Just set that to the side. This thing is beautiful looking. Packaged very nicely. It does have some weight to it. It's pretty heavy. Wow, it's nice. See that? Got the MacBook engraved on the back. Ooh. So what else is in the box? Got the, you know what, maybe I should get you guys to come look at this. Let's see what I see. So we just booted up box. We got, like, you know, probably a manual on there. Let me try to get the charger pack. Charger. Anything else in this box? I don't think so. I think that's I don't think there's anything else in there. But it makes you want to see. I guess that's it. That's all that comes in here. The charger and the power pack. I went ahead and bought these also. The day I bought this. This is the USB-C to Ethernet adapter. I got some USB-C to USB. And I got the extension power. Ordered this stuff about a month ago. When Apple first launched their announcement about this new M1 Max, I bought it. English. So we're going to go through the setup and everything. Does it light up? I don't even know if it lights up. I don't think it does. It doesn't light up. Keyboard's nice. Full keyboard. Trackpad's nice.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
We're gonna set this up and then we'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. So we just opened up the power pack, and this is already a long power wire, so I don't even know if I needed to buy this extension, but it probably is a good idea to have the extension. So the extension gives you a little bit extra. I don't know if we're gonna need it. This is pretty long. Recommends you set this up when you have it powered. It's running on battery currently. So we shall do that. Might as well install this extension while we have it open. Like I said, you probably don't need this, but I like the extensions in case you're working somewhere where the outlet's not close by. Comes in handy. All right, so we ran the power cord all around everything, and now we're about to plug it in. Gotta love that mag. So now we're gonna transfer the backup from this Mac to this new Mac. Bear with me now. Almost forgot. This Mac does not have any USB ports. So that's why we bought these on Amazon. What these things do, this comes in a 2-pack. These things are USB-C to USB, so what you can do is you can use your USB devices. You just got to plug it on in there. Now you got that thing adapted. It's a fully adapted. Now you can plug it in to Thunderbolt or USB-C. Let's see what happens. It's reading it. I just backed up my computer. It's my other Mac. So I plugged this in, everything's hooked up, and it's saying looking for other sources. This is lit up blue, but it's not really doing anything as of yet. Alright, so we got it all set up. This is what we're working with. We got the Mac 16, Apple M1 Max, 64 gigabyte. I got it all maxed out, upgraded, because they say you can't upgrade after you purchase it. So I just went ahead and got it all. I don't know why. You probably don't even need 64 gigabytes of memory, but I do like to do Photoshop and video editing and maybe having something else running, so whatever. It's overkill, but it's gonna work for me. Let's see what it does. Setting up the Touch ID. Use your fingerprint to unlock the Mac and make purchase with Apple Pay. Place your finger, lift and rest your finger on the Touch ID. We just got the Touch ID all done. So we've had the MacBook for a week or two. We've been using it every day, edited some videos, and I gotta say the thing is a beast. It's fast, it's really fast, and it's really cut my workload more than in half. This thing is a beast. If you want to get one, it's worth it, man. It renders video so fast, lightning fast. I'm talking mind-blowing fast. It's a game changer. That's my video. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, ring that little bell. I'm gonna put some notifications up here, man. I'm gonna be making some more videos and I'll keep you informed. I'm gonna do some editing videos, do some shooting videos, all kinds of stuff coming to this channel. So subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.